This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall. Welcome home to this updated 3-bedroom and 2-bath pool home. Home boasts a bright and open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, renovated kitchen with rich wood shaker cabinets, granite countertops and all-new stainless appliances, both baths updated as well. Neutral tile floors in living, dining, kitchen and great room. New carpet in all bedrooms. Generous 2-car garage. 4 sliders all open up to patio and sparkling pool, perfect for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall at 954-296-7700.